Ari murimu uria uragaga nyamu imwe kahinda-ini ga sekondi 30 gitaru-ini kia Afrika irathiro na muhuro. Riu ataramu aya nimonanitie mwihoko wa guthie na mbere kugiririria ariithi korwo ni mahiu mao kumana na murimu wa ngae.
The vaccine was developed here in Muguga and funding from FAO. The high potential areas of this country are within the ECF endemic area.
Kuringana na mutaramu wa mahiu kuma giikaro kia uthuthuria wa mirimu ya mahiu kia Muguga Dr. Sam Ndung'u, murimu wa ngae kana East Coast Fever uria umanaga na ngoha ni undu umwe thiete na mbere gukunderia umithio wa ariithi.
If you are say doing like 10 liters one morning, you go for your milking and the animal produces half a liter, so that is one indication. Then the lymph nodes might also look swollen, and if you are to grab them, you find that they are quite big.
Ningi ariithi ni moritio kuhuthagira njanjo ino mahinda kwa mahinda makiria kumana na thogora wayo wa thi.
Bringing a vaccine will help us reduce this cost, and the ECF disease threatens about 25 million animals in 12 countries in East Africa, Central Africa and Southern Africa.
Kuna njanjo ino ni undu umwe wa gwitira guthondekerwo guku bururi-ini giteithiriria nginyagia ariithi angi gitaru-ini kia Afrika. Ataramu aya nimeranire guthie na mbere kwambika mibango itiganite iria guthie na mbere kunyita ariithi guoko. Gukiri uguo riu ariithi ni moritio kwaraniria na ataramu a mahiu aria mamakuhiriirie niguo gwithemanaga na kurwo ni uhiu wao. Handu-ini ha metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.